Ok, listo.
Listo.
I'm very passionate about Mexico in all senses, about the food, the people, the aromas, the markets, everything that says Mexico. I'm really into that. And I really feel in a very special way my food, so I couldn't think of any other. I can think about Mexican gastronomy without understanding history, art, culture. So learning Mexican cooking, it's a very special way to connect with our culture, to understand the way we live, the way we eat, the way we are, and how we share around the table. It's an incredible way to approach, to add to a culture through the gastronomy. There's something about Mexican families that like to join and gather around the table and prepare food, cook, and share. And that's really the spirit behind the way I cook. Cook with your heart, gather your family around the table, and I think that if families cook together, they stay together, and that's very important. We like to personalize our classes in a very special way. We always take care of the cooking level that you indicate in the request, so we make sure that we meet your expectations in terms of the level of skills that you say that you have. We have a mezcal tasting or agua fresca, and then we review all the ingredients and we explain in detail all the ingredients that you are not familiar with. And then the fun part, we go to the kitchen for a hands-on cooking session. And then we move to the table once all the food is prepared to have this tasting with our selected beverage. So it's really fun and it can be an activity that you can enjoy with your family or to celebrate something very special. I invite you to do this cooking experience with LocalAventura. We will be very happy to welcome you. It will be a pleasure to create a very unique experience for you and your group. And we wait you here so you can immerse in our food in a very special way.